Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Know the router model and admin credentials and connect a device directly or over your trusted home network. Open a modern browser and type the router IP address. Try the label value or common defaults like 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1. 1. Make sure VPNs and proxy extensions are turned off so the login page loads locally. Once done, press Enter and wait for the router's login screen. If it doesn't, you'll now enter credentials. Type the admin username and password, and if you must use defaults, plan to change them immediately. After login, look for clear labels like Network, Wireless, Advanced, or Administration. Different firmwares place settings in different spots, so scan the menu bar and side panels. If pages load slowly or options are missing, switch to a wired Ethernet connection to avoid captive portal or wireless isolation issues. Also, enable HTTPS access if the router offers it to protect your password, and finish by applying changes carefully. Change one setting, click Save or Apply, and allow any reboot to complete before testing. Always export or screenshot a configuration backup and store new passwords in a secure manager. If you're locked out after a change, try power cycling the router and reattempt login. Make sure you're using the correct local IP and not a cached page. As a last resort, use the manufacturer's recovery or factory reset procedure, but know this erases custom settings. Restore from backup if available.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.